Silver yesterday has shown a very good swing, achieving the lows close to 2260 levels, which we discussed that it is going to remain a very good support, and the highs is close to $23 levels. Now, what to expect today from silver as it is continued to stay on the upside, continue to stay bullish? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you see the content adding value to your trading decisions, do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. With that, let's start. First, a look into hourly charts. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at silver on the hourly chart, see first of all, the highs here 2320, 2330 zone, greater resistance. With that as resistance, we have seen this massive drop. Lower lows are also getting created, lower highs are also getting created. If you look at the movement here, silver is trying to trade in this bearish channel, and hence any rise above 2320 should be taken up seriously. Beyond that, we can again look forward to 2330 and 40 levels, two critical resistances. Beyond 2340, sky is the limit for silver. If you look at the hourly charts here as well, you will find now $23 levels and 22.95 levels. These were the resistances earlier, is now going to be the support for silver on the down. So far, what is happening on the hourly charts, it is creating higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade in this bullish bias after the V-shaped recovery, and hence the bearishness will increase only and only if you see the prices staying below 2290 levels. Now, what has happened here? See, if you divide it into two, you can see the symmetry. So possibly it can again try to resume its downward journey, yielding higher lows. There is a probability. Stochastic rising, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bullish looking upwards, and this crossover has come after lower levels after achieving the lows here. RSI looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour chart, see the resistance is seen here, the support levels are very high here, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Now 2290 is the only level below which the bears might try to take over. This has become a critical support zone. If you look at the complete formation, I still see the lower lows, lower highs here, and hence a breakout about 2320 should be taken up seriously. Stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is trying to stay bullish here, and this crossover has come after a long bearish streak, so this may continue on the upside as RSI is looking downwards, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Coming to 3-hour. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, first of all, higher highs here. Now if you connect this, higher lows. If you look at silver, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement towards the middle of the channel, and you can see another support line getting created here. Then the rise to the highs, then the retracement. In fact, it has reached the bottom of the channel before looking upwards. Now the support levels are very high at around 2280 levels. Very strong support exists here, and below that we may see now 2260 levels as the next stronger support. If you look at the complete movement so far, you can note that how beautifully these lines are aligned. The support levels at 2280, and below that is where further bearishness is. So now there is a possibility of a drop. If you see the price is staying below 2290, you can take a sell, but then 2280 levels it needs to break past by. As long as 2260 is respected, there is going to be support which is going to be seen for silver. You have to be watchful. At the same time, lower highs, lower lows suggest that it is trying to stay in this flag formation. After this rise, trying to create a bullish flag. The bottom of this is again at 2260. Look at stochastic. This is overbought. The MACD is still bearish. It is trying to converge and crossover, but it is still trading with the bearish bias. It has not yet crossed over. That is important. RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, 3 green candles, couple of retracement candles, 3 green candles here. Higher highs are done. Flat bottom is seen. Possibility of a reversal exists. I will only recommend you to sell if you see the price is staying below 2290, below which slight bearishness further can be expected. See, if this candle stays in red, the next candle might continue in red, where at least 2280 levels should be seen. Yes, below 2280 is where the bears will take over. See, this is 2280 line. Very strong support exists here. If you look at stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is still bearish. It is still trying to look downwards, and this crossover has come at a slightly elevated levels, and this conversion should not be treated as a reversal here. Yes, it has not yet crossed over. RSI looking downwards. Coming to the daily, Now, this is important on the daily chart. See this beautiful alignation of these four candles. Then the body size is diminishing here. That is also important. Second is the accelerated, you can bullishness or higher lows. So now for the day 2280 levels are going to remain critical, below which only further bearishness is going to be seen, and 2320 ultimately is a great resistance. We have always maintained in my previous analysis that 2280 2320 is the zone where one has to be watchful, cautious, alert. Now those who are looking for the possibility of a reversal, see the bearish confirmation only exists if the prices stays below 2280 levels, below which I will be looking forward to a sharper drop which might take the prices further down. But right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. Stochastic looking down. Now look at MACD. This is crossed over, trading with divergence. Candle slices have flattened here. I will wait for today's move. Possibly if the candle sizes diminishes means a bearish candle, and then from there it will start to converge. Then a further drop in the next week can be seen. RSI looking upwards and staying with a modest bullish. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading strategy and levels for you all. Before I proceed, if you appreciate the effort and if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 26th batch started on 16th of October. 27th batch is going to resume on 28th of November. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. And yes, if you think that the content is adding value to your trading decisions, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a motivation to me. Now, see, first is 2320, major resistance level. Yes, beyond 2320, we can expect it to rise. But what has happened here? See, it has breached past this highs here. Right now, it is still getting the resistance on the top of this channel. Thus, 2320 becomes critical for the day. Beyond 2320, more bullishness may prevail. See what has happened. Also, one must note the lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to resume its upward journey. Thus, first only buying point today for silver is about 2320, where you can expect 2330, 2340, and then this is the resistance zone here, 2360 zone. Staying beyond this, sky is the limit for silver, but right now it is hesitant of it. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only if you see the price is staying below 22. See, you can sell here at 2295 itself, or rather I will say better to wait for 2290 levels, but then 2280 very strong support. Below 2280 is where the further bearishness is going to be seen, and then the next, this zone at 2260 2280 is the barrier for silver today. If it breaks past by this zone, then you can say that prices are reversing. We are looking at 2240 2220 levels, and in fact it can reverse completely as well. But this is only possible, it has to break past the critical resistance zone at 2260 2280. In between these levels, we have to stay cautious and alert. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship badge and Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.